Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So the video that we're going to be doing today is going to be unboxing of Boxyluxe for the month of June. I just got this in this morning. This is what it looks like. And yes, I did take it to work and I did open the box just to, get everything ready. And I lost the little card that goes with it. So I won't be able to tell you how much anything is or anything like that. But I will link it in this description box below when I actually have the card again. Okay, so the first, I'm just going to go in here and randomly pull stuff out. I know what I got, but I haven't opened any of it or anything like that. So the first thing I'm pulling out is going to be Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Instant lasting volume and textures. It is a 7.5 ounce. So this is, I'm assuming, I guess it says it's a stalling and finishing spray. It smells really good. It says shake before you spray, of course. And then it says section and spray roots to ends. And then Tulsa to boost volume. So this is Living Proof. This is really good. I really like their products. It's really, really good. And this is a huge thing. That's what I like about Boxyluxe. You get full-size samples of in regular BoxyCharm. But Boxyluxe, it just makes you feel more pampered and stuff like that. So, yeah, I'm very excited to use this, especially since I did run out of my other one this morning. That came just in time. Okay, so the next thing that I'm pulling out is in this bag. Of course, everyone knows it's a blow dryer, hair dryer, however you want to say it. And this, of course, is PYT. So you do get the bag. I'm going to go ahead and open it. It's very it's very heavy. Okay, so the one that I've got is purple. Not much for a hair dryer, to be honest. I normally do let mine air dry or put it up in a bun or something like that. So this is a mini one. It's a hair dryer. I really don't know what to say about it. And if I'm not mistaken, it does come with some attachments. Yes. Oh, if I quit chopping. Don't judge me. Okay, so it does come with instructions. And you do get 2 attachments with it as well. I know this is like for curly hair and stuff like that. My hair is naturally curly and wavy. I usually wear it straight like I am today. But I have had it cut to where it curls really good. And today's the first day I've actually wore it straight in probably weeks. So I really don't know if this would work good on my hair anyway, because my hair is like super thick and it's also getting really, really long. So something like this probably wouldn't work that good on my hair, to be honest with you. Hardly ever any hair blow dryer does. So I am going to keep it and I will use it and see how it does. And if I don't like it, I can always give it away or sell it or whatever. But I am liking this purple. Normally I don't care much for purple, but this one, I don't know, it's just really cute. They already got dirty. So this is what it looks like. As you can tell, the brand is right here. I mean, you do get like a super long cord with it. And yes, I did rip the tag off. I hope I don't go to jail for that. So you do get that, of course. And these are the 2 attachments. I'm not exactly sure what this is for. I guess I really don't know. I'm 33 and I don't know what this is for. The only reason I know what this is because I had a perm and I tried to use this and it made me look like a poodle. So, not a big fan of stuff like that, but then again, I really don't know how to use it. So, put that stuff back in here. Sorry, me and my sister's texting about the drama that's going on. Okay, so the next item that I'm pulling out is going to be the Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser by Dr. Brandt. It says all skin types, apply on damp skin, and gently massage to rid skin of excess oil, makeup, pollution, and everyday grime. You can use this AM and PM. It says that it's safe for all skin types. You do get 3.5 fluid ounces in here. Let me open it. Okay, so it is closed, so I obviously can't smell it, but Dr. Brandt's really, really good brand too. If you see my hands, I just popped my nails off a few minutes ago because one of them broke. So please just ignore my fingers. They look horrible, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, so the next item that we got is a Tristique mascara. Good Vibes mascara. Okay, it says how to use. Pull off clear cap to access half curler. Press down along lash line and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Move across lashes to get desired curl. Twist off top for volumizing mascara. Apply as desired. Use curler and mascara together to curves. Wait, what? Okay. I'm going to have to look into this because I don't know what the hell they're talking about. But we'll find out. Okay, so the next one that I'm pulling out is, okay, I love this. It says No Pore Bloom Prime Essence. This is a Touch and Soul, of course, really good primer. I love their other one that we got in Boxyluxe. Okay, oh, okay, so the English is all the way to the bottom right here. Right here. It says that is pure essence infused with kaolin flower extract, tightens up the pores and keeps the skin silky and smooth for better and long-lasting makeup. How you use it is to, at the last step of skincare, apply a moderate amount and gently pat over the skin until it is fully absorbed. Let's take a look, because I always thought that serums went before moisturizers. At least that's how I do it. Oh, wow, that's so cute. Look at this. This is so, so cute. Obviously, I need to learn how to do this, because, okay. Yeah, you know what, I have it. Okay. So don't squeeze it, because if you do, it's going to, like it just did me. Okay, so apparently this lid, oh, okay, now it works. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute, and you do get an ounce, well, 1.01 fluid ounce, so a little bit over an ounce. What you'll do is you'll twist this off, and right there is the opening. It smells really good, too. Okay, so the next one I'm pulling out is Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. It is an AHA resurfacing night serum with hydrating honey. Pharmacy has a really good skincare. And I only know that because of what we have gotten in the Boxyluxe. Okay, so it says a powerful, Lord, I can't speak. A powerful multi-correctional night serum that resurfaces skin for smoother, youthful look and complexion. It says you apply a generous layer, which is 1 to 2 pumps, to clean skin at night. Avoiding eyes and lips, use 2 to 3 times a week. May build up to more frequent use. Allow product to dry and follow with sleep-tight firming night balm. Slight tingling may be experienced. Okay, so they are saying that you could tingle from this. At least they're honest. So that's the packaging. I'll show it to you. Okay. Let's get. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, love these packagings. They are super cute. So that's what it looks like. I really like it. And it's a pump too, so you're not having to worry about going in and contaminating it and stuff like that. I think it was. I really don't know what I'm doing. Nope, I sure don't. Okay. Where is the... Oh, okay. Of course, duh. Alright, so you do get 1 fluid ounce of this. Let me go ahead and see what it smells like. It smells like a slight smell of honey, which I don't hate. I mean, I can't wait to try this. Okay, and then I am also pulling out a Skin and Company Truffle Therapy Aqua Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist, which is Radiant too. You do get 4.0 ounces of this. I probably will love this stuff simply because I do have dry skin. It's not as dry as it was, but I still have dry skin because I do love the tanning bed and stuff like that. So it says it is for all skin types, cruelty free. It's organic. Okay, so it says that it is a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Our glow-inducing tonic is inspired by the Italian legend of St. John's water, a magical dew product produced using flowers and herbs during the summer solstice. It says shake well before each use to activate the botanical extracts, holding the bottle away 8 to 10 inches away from the face, close eyes, and mist it all over skin. Can be used to set makeup as well as throughout the day to refresh and hydrate skin. Let's just see what it smells like then. No, do not smell this. Ooh. The idea behind it's really, really good. And I mean, it seems like it would work fairly well. Let's see. Sorry. So the next thing that I'm going to be pulling out is going to be my Tarteist Pro Glow 3. This is a cheek palette. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Sorry. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. It's really pretty. And I'm just going to go ahead and pull it open. And it does come with a plastic thing. I hate those things. Dang it. So this is what it looks like. It is, I mean, it's gorgeous. It really is. Okay. So, I mean, you have like blushes, you have highlighters. I guess the bottom two here are meant as like bronzers. I'm not 100% certain. That probably would work on me. But I forgot the mirrors. But yeah, I love this right here. These are so cute, and I love Tarte blushes and stuff like that. They're some of my favorite. Okay, so that's something else we got. And the very last thing that we got was probably the one that I was really kind of excited about, even though I haven't tried anything from her brand. And I said earlier, and I said in one video that I probably wouldn't because nothing caught my eye. But she's launching a new collection, and it really caught my eye, and I was just like, that looks like something I would be interested in. So I'm thinking about maybe trying some of her stuff out. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's Dominique Cosmetics by Kristen Dominique. She's here on YouTube as well. This is her brand. Now, this was the first thing that I'm going to try of hers. And now it is, the packaging is just gorgeous. I'll just be honest. I'm trying to see. I'm guessing it's a lip gloss. Again, I don't have the paper. I don't really know what it is. But I will link it in the description below. Box Below. And this is in the shade Peach Tea. And I love anything that's got to do with peaches, like the colors of them. I mean, I bought the whole line of that Too Faced came out with, of nothing but peaches. I bought the whole box. The whole collection, I meant. Ain't no shame. Oh, wow. Okay. This is... I'll just show you. This is gorgeous packaging. Unfortunately, though, the one thing I've noticed right straight off, it doesn't have the name anywhere on it. So if I throw the box away, I don't know what this is called. It's got DC right here. For, I don't know, Christian Dominique or something. I don't know. So that's what it looks like. I'll go ahead and pull out the thing. Okay. Ooh. It's got a vanilla smell to it. Oh, that smells so good. And it really does. Well, okay, get it back in there. So this is in the shade Peach Tea, and it's got lemonade right here. So I don't know what that means. Does she have like a collection that's got lemonade or something? I don't know. I have to research it and see. Okay, so that is all it, y'all. I got this. I got the spray that I'm excited about. I mean, you know, this month to me, yeah, this box paid for itself. I don't know, like I said, I don't know how much all this stuff was because I did leave the paper at work. And the thing about it is I actually took the box with me, put it under my cubicle, and forgot it. Like, forgot it. Like, I was in my car, almost ready to pull out of the parking lot at work, when I realized I'd forgotten my Boxyluxe. So I had to run back up the steps, right into the building, and grab this, and run back out to the car. So, yeah. But, y'all, I mean, I'm really excited about all this stuff. It looks so good, and I think this month we done good because we got some skincare. We got this, you know, the blush, or the face palette and stuff like that. You know, you can use on your eyes, your face, or whatever. Then you got mascara. Got some really nice skincare. And some dry shampoo, thank God, because like I said, I was out. Okay, y'all, that was it. I just hope that you all enjoy this video. Just, you know, if you want to, comment down below what y'all got in yours or your Boxy charm. Because I do get that, but this was the month for this. And, I mean, honestly, I think it paid for itself. Honestly, I'm not disappointed in anything. If anything, I don't think I'll use this. This will probably be like a little straightener that we got. It's probably going to go up and underneath my sink. I don't use HIT, and I probably won't use that, to be honest. But yeah, I've enjoyed everything that I've gotten. So I do want to thank you all for tuning in, listening to my rambles and stuff like that. And I do hope that you all have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.